Alright, Debbie, so tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern, we are putting on a live workshop where we're going to show you how to create a six-figure Shopify store in 17 minutes or less. Alright, so what we're going to show you step by step is from scratch, everything from finding products that you can sell that basically sell themselves. Alright, we're looking for the type of things that not only sell quickly, but give you high profit margins. Alright, so we're going to show you that step one. Step two is to create the store. So there is a little bit of technical stuff involved, but once you know exactly what to do, you have the tools to do it, it's pretty much point and click. Alright, so that's step number two. Step number three, we're going to show you how to create winning Facebook ads that do most of the heavy lifting for you. Alright, so the one thing I like about Shopify, it's one of those things that once you get it set up and running, you can potentially earn money even while you sleep. So for those of you out in deadbeat land, you know how important that is. For anything I do, affiliate marketing, YouTube, it has to be something that earns money residually without having to continue to put more work in. So Shopify is one of those things. All right, so the challenge for Fred today, if you notice Fred, if you don't know about Fred, Fred is one of the top e-commerce trainers on the internet. All right, so he's done $25 million in e-com sales. He's gonna be leading the class, and I've challenged him to actually build a complete campaign from scratch, live in front of everybody. All right, so you'll be able to see step by step how it's done, how a real expert puts together a winning campaign on Shopify. All right, guys, so the link for that is deadbeatuniversity.com/shop, or the link will be below. It's at 8 p.m. Eastern tonight. All right, now I just have to warn you guys, seats are filling up very quickly. We're now past the limit on GoToWebinar, so what I recommend you do to ensure that you get in is show up about 15 minutes early. All right, so if you want to claim your seat, they're on a first come, first served basis, but they are limited. All right, so link below. Also, just a quick little reminder here that we are giving away some cool stuff on the webinar today. So if you show up just for attending, every attendee gets a copy of Fred's new book. It's called Starting From Zero. It's forwarded by Robert Kiyosaki. Fred works with a lot of the top guys. And in that book, Fred reveals everything that he knows about e-commerce. All right, so you're gonna get that for free just for attending. At the end, we're gonna give you a link for that. Also, we are giving away one brand new Apple MacBook on the stream tonight during the competition sections of the live workshop, so you could potentially win that. And number two, we're giving away $500 in cash, maybe a little bit more if I'm in a good mood. We're gonna give away 500 bucks in cash during the competition periods as well. All right, so this is only for attendees here on this live workshop tonight. It's at 8 p.m. Link below. I'll see you deadbeats there. Time for me to go take a nap in the meantime. Peace.